problems with my joints. I had a lot of pain in different areas of my body.
Diabetic, borderline, 4 years ago. And she said you should be 187 pounds.
Since I've lost my weight, it's more like, look at me, look at Tammy, look what I've done. And I feel good about myself. I bought a new wardrobe and it's fantastic. It's the best thing I've ever done.
I recently feel great. Probably do laps all night
I started going out again with friends. I started doing exercise again. I started walking again. And most important to me, I just started playing with my grandkids again.
I'm